Good morning. This short video is about logging on to the email address for Ascot. I've been told that there's been a few problems logging on and staff are getting invalid messages when they try to log on to their email online. Now, to get started, what we need is to get to the right site on the internet for emails. To do that, you type in the correct URL, which is mail or lowercase dot ascot dot gm, as we're in Gambia, and you click enter. Right, and that takes you to this new page, which is about you logging on to either the control panel for the system or the webmail. You have nothing to do at this stage with the control panel, so you're supposed to log on to your webmail, okay, which is the default. So what you need to do is go in and enter the email address you've been given. For example, for Babuka, you can see it's your full email address and the password which you would have been given, which was supplied to me. Now the thing about the password is obviously you need to write it as it was given to you. If we had capital letters, if we had lower cases, if we had numbers, it has to be written exactly as it was provided. And once you've typed in your password, you press log into webmail. And straight away you are in your inbox and you'll see all your emails. In this case, the email I sent earlier on is in there. There are a lot of things you can do here. You can do settings to change passwords, for example. And I won't go through all the different things you can do, but the ones I'll pick up on is this one called user interface. It just tells you again the different things that automatically is set up for you. The language, time zone. If you really want to change that, you could change the time zone to Gambia, for example. GMT, Banjul, and the English is US, so you can save that. Mailbox view. Again, you set everything as you want. If you want to add a signature at the bottom of your emails. This you can set it all up here. If I go into identities for a second, which is on the left hand side, right now what identities does is when you send emails out, the name that appears for people when they receive your email would normally be the email address, which I click on. But what you can also do is put a display name on, so that's what people will see when they receive your email. So I can put, in this case, okay. There are other things you can also do, like your signature and other stuff, but that is the basic. Okay, so those are quick things that would get you started. And of course, once you can leave settings and go back to your mail by clicking on mail, and it will take you to your inbox again, where you have messages that you can pick up. And when you double click on this, that will open up the message like so. Okay, and you can read your message and all the attachments to those messages. Right. One of the things at first is once you open up a message, you can reply to the person that sent it to you. You can reply to everybody copied on the email, or you can forward the email. You can also delete, print, move to a different folder that you create. I will not discuss folder creation, you can do that yourself. You can mark, and you can also do more. You can compose new emails, or you can go back to the main inbox page where you can also compose as you need. Compose is obviously creating a new message that you want to send out. I will not again go into that for this short demonstration. So that's it. That's how you log on to your email. And I'm hoping everyone has got their email address and their password provided to them. And once you're done, it makes sense for you to log out. That's so. And you're back to that front page again. So that is it. That's what is needed. And thank you for watching.